everyone. My name is Sardar Shizad Khan and I welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. Dear audience, I hope you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and you will get the notification of all my video. If you want to buy any gadgets you have watched in the video, you have to click on the link given in the description. By clicking the link, you will directly go to the site. Visit the site, check all the varieties of the stock and pick the one you like to buy. And this way you can also buy the gadgets and enjoy to use it. Thank you.